Okay, this video is how to actually model the not all 7 of the polycubes, but I'm going to take you through how we make the polycubes out of a single cube over here, and I'll take you through the steps of doing at least 2 of the parts. Probably do the T-shaped one here, and then this small L, or actually we call it the V over here. I guess it's a V when you hold it diagonally. So what we're going to do is start with a new model and create a cube like I did over here. I'm just going to do a new one, and I'm going to start with a sketch. We're going to make these 1 inch by 1 inch, and I'll do a rectangle. In fact, I'm going to do a different rectangle. I'm going to do the center point rectangle. It's up here under create rectangle right there. And I'm going to come right here and I'm going to make it 1 inch. And I hit tab, 1 inch, hit enter. And then I am going to finish my sketch, and I'm going to extrude it 1 inch, and then click OK. Now, one of the things I want you to notice that's going on over here in the browser is this square up here means it's a component and it's unsaved, but also it's showing bodies here. I'm going to go ahead and save it, and this is going to be I'm going to call this the cube, since I already have a single cube over there, and hit save. And we still have just this body, which is fine. We're going to do some other things to it. Now, the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to chamfer the edges. This, so when we put them together in the polycubes, we can see these different blocks more distinctly. So I'm going to come here, and I'm going to do a chamfer, and I'm going to select all the edges of my cube. You can maneuver the view cube over here around to hit the different edges. If you do it right, you can actually do them all in the home view. I believe I have all of them. It says 12 selected. I think that would be as many edges as what we have in a cube. And we're going to make this 0.05 of a chamfer, so it does those edges like that. Then I'm going to click OK. Now, this is the cube, and we don't really need that. Now, well, we will be using it, but we really don't need it open. And I'm going to hit save, just to make sure it's saved. Click OK. And one of the differences in the previous parts you've done, they've stayed basically as bodies. Even though this is saved and it's really a component here, but we have bodies here, and we can talk about that some other time. But once we save something, it is a component, and also bodies we can't assemble together. We can combine them, but that's different than assembly. We're going to actually take this cube and assemble other cubes. So in fact, I'll do that in the next video. So I'm just going to go ahead and end this one and then start the next.